In this exercise, we're going to be looking at board feet. A board foot is the amount of wood in a piece 12 inches by 12 inches by 1 inch. A carpenter places the following order for a certain kind of lumber. He orders 25 pieces of 2 inch by 4 inch by 8 foot lumber, 32 pieces 2 inches by 6 inches by 10 feet, and 24 pieces of lumber that are 2 inches by 8 inches by 12 feet. The price of this type of lumber is $225 per 1,000 board feet. What is the total cost of the carpenter's order? We're going to be using several steps to solve this. First of all, we need to realize that a board foot is really not a measure in length, it's a measure of volume. So we're going to calculate the volume of one board foot, then we're going to calculate the total volume of the lumber that was purchased, find out how many 1,000 board feet that is, and then calculate the carpenter's order, the cost of the carpenter's order. So let's start by calculating the volume of one board foot. Well, the volume of one board foot was 12 inches by 12 inches by 1 inch. So the volume would be length times width times height, or 12 inches times 12 inches times 1 inch, or 144 cubic inches. Now let's find the volume of 25 pieces of 2 inch by 4 inch by 8 foot lumber. Now we want everything in cubic inches, so we're going to have to convert our feet to inches when we get to that. So we have 25 pieces, that's 25 times length times width times height. We have 2 inches times 4 inches times 8 feet, which is 96 inches, which gives us 19,200 cubic inches in this part of the order. For 32 pieces that are 2 inches by 6 inches by 10 feet, the volume is 32 times 2 inches times 6 inches times 10 feet, which is 120 inches, and that equals 46,080 cubic inches. And finally, the volume of the 24 pieces, we have the volume is 24 times 2 inches times 8 inches times 12 feet, which is 144 inches. And that comes to a total of 55,296 cubic inches. So we found the volume of each separate part. Now we need to find the volume of the total by adding 19,200, 46,080, and 55,296. When we do that, we get 6. 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5. 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 5 is 20. And 2 plus 1 is 3. 7, 5 is 12. So we have a total of 120,576 cubic inches purchased. Now we have to calculate how many board feet that is. Well, one board foot was 144 cubic inches. So we take 120,576 cubic inches, divide that by 144 cubic inches, and we get 837.3 repeating board feet. So this is how many board feet were purchased. Now notice that the price is not given per board foot, but per 1,000 board feet. So to find how many thousands of board feet we purchased, we divide this by 1,000. We have 837.3 repeating divided by 1,000. We move the decimal point and we get 0.8373 repeating thousands of board feet purchased. The cost was $225 for each 1,000 purchased, so we multiply 0.8373 repeating times $225, and we get a total of $188.40 for the total cost of the order.